If your Suzuki Alto bonnet stay does this every time you go to pull it off, then you need a new one of these, a new pivot which fits in there and holds the stay across here where you can lock it into there. And I'm now just going to show you how you remove the old one and put the new one on. So to remove the old one, you need to lift this little bit here. You need to support it there because it's a bit fiddly, this, and there is a little section which folds over and goes in, which needs to be lifted, and it pulls back out. So I'm going to try and do that by pulling that up, popping a screwdriver in underneath and lifting the bit below and pulling it out, and it comes apart like that. That then just pulls down and clips around there and just pulls off the end of the bar. Right, so the new one goes back on the same way the old one came off. Basically what it does is that will go through the hole, that will slot down into that flat section underneath. That just pushes through like so, and then that will lock back up in position. But you can't actually do that until this white bit is fitted to the car first. So I'm just going to do that now for you. So this needs to be pushed into there first, locks in like that. Then the bar, open it up, push the bar into the hole and into that slot, and you just clip that together like so, and that's the job done. That will then come up here and sit in there like so, and this time it won't fall out every time you bring it down, and it will then slot into the proper lock over there as and when needed. So there we go. It's a fairly straightforward job, but just remember that has to be fitted to the car before you put the stay back in. Hope that helps you if ever you need to change it. Thanks for watching. Bye.